What's up guys, this is Ferna and I'm going to show you this 3 hours Guimaras Island hopping. This 3 hours Guimaras Island hopping is included in the package of Nature's Eye Resort. The first attraction is the different rock formation all the way to the cottages of Nature's Eye Resort. The two cottages on this video are the Sunset Cottage, where I am staying, and also the Ocean View Cottage. That is our boatman, and he usually slows down whenever we pass through some resorts in the area and also to the different forms of island. This island hopping is on the other side of Nueva Valencia, Guimaras. The village of Tondo, Lagmayan, and San Roque are part of this tour. This is the famous Crocodile Island because it looks like a crocodile from afar. We also pass through this huge area of mangrove where one can see some species of the mangrove and a place to learn how local protects this mangrove area. So we are here in San Roque, Nueva Valencia. It's a floating cottage here. It's really beautiful actually. So it's about like, I'm not sure how many minutes we went over here, but the island hopping is like slow, but you will be able to see a lot of islands. So that's our boat there, and look at the view. Stunning view. So this time we were heading to the last island of this tour. There is a tower in Taklong Island National Marine Reserve, which is also an eco park in San Roque. Here, you'd be able to see the beautiful view of Taklong Island. So those are the places we went to for this 3 hours island hopping.
Thank you to these three amazing ladies who are also guests from Nature's Eye Resort and became my teammate on that day. Hope you enjoy watching. Bye!